Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the best fried rice recipe you will ever make. It's beginner friendly, packed with flavor and professionally done. The result is absolutely mouth-watering. All the ingredients will be listed in the description below, so make sure to check that out. Now let's get right into the cooking. Here are some of the vegetables we'll be using today. Green paprika pepper, habanero peppers, red paprika, spring onions, carrots, green beans, yellow paprika, sweet corn, and salt to taste. Next, let's parboil our protein. I'll be using chicken wings for this recipe. Add them into your pot and season generously with garlic, ginger, rosemary, thyme. Add little curry, chopped onions, and seasoning cubes. Add a little water, stir to combine. Cover the pot and let it come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add a bit more water and some salt. Cover again and cook until the chicken becomes tender. Once it's done, sieve the stock. You want the liquid to be smooth because you will use it later. You can fry or air fry your chicken. I air fried mine off camera. Next, pour your long grain rice into a clean pot. Add hot water. Give it a good stir. Cover it and let it boil for a few minutes. Once the rice starts boiling, then drain, rinse and set aside. Now return the rice to a clean pot and introduce your meat stock and little water. Add habanero peppers, some Maggi seasoning, some seasoning cubes. Add salt to taste. Stir everything to combine. Add some garlic, little curry, and not forgetting our thyme. Stir very well. Drop in a big chunk of green paprika. This adds extra color and aroma. Please do not add too much water into your rice. Only use just enough to cook the rice so it doesn't turn soggy. Once the rice is done, remove the pepper and fluff it. Leave it uncovered to stop the cooking process. Now let's prep the chicken breast. Place your cleaned and chopped chicken breast in a bowl and season with seasoning cubes, Maggi, thyme, garlic, vegetable oil. Mix everything well to combine. Add salt to taste. Mix very well, then let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Heat a pan with some vegetable oil and fry the chicken breast until golden brown. If you have watched this video till this point, please do well to like, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Thank you. Remove and set aside. In another pan, heat some vegetable oil. Add finely chopped onions first. Then add your carrots and green beans. These two vegetables take longer to soften. Fry for a few minutes. And add your red, yellow and green paprika. Stir well and fry briefly. Then add in your sweet corn. Season with cubes and salt to taste. Stir everything nicely. Then add in your fried chicken breast. Allow everything to combine for a few minutes. Scoop out some of the vegetables. We will be mixing our rice in 2 batches. Add in your cooked rice and stir generously on high heat. This step is key. Frying on high heat helps the fried rice stay fresh for up to 5 days without going bad. I also have another fried rice recipe on my channel where I used liver instead of chicken. If you haven't seen it yet, do well to check it out. I will link it right here for you. Sprinkle in your chopped spring onions. Give it one last stir and take it off the heat. Serve your delicious fried rice with your favorite salad or coleslaw and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. See you in my next video. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye.